Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I will be installing this water wave dupe hair. This is the butta lace unit in the unit 3. I don't know why I just said that, but yeah, this is butta lace unit 3. It gives the girls a nice water wave hair. It's giving scalp right there, very much so. But the way I install my wigs is a little different. See, I used to do like the ball cap method, but I lost my edges that way. So now I try to stick to everything glueless. I use a black cap, which you're gonna see in a second. So before I put my wigs on, I like to, help grow my edges back. So this is just an ordinary hair density serum, and it's been working, y'all, because I didn't have shit there. Now your girl got a little bit something going on. Give it a few more months and I'll be having edges, okay? So I need to push them bitches back the way. So I just use my Kiss Edge Control. Girl, I got that from Family Dollar. I did not know they sold Edge Control. That was the first time me seeing Edge Control. Besides that green Edge Control at Family Dollar, I'm like, okay, let me go ahead and grab that. And I'm just cleaning off my forehead with some alcohol, prepping for the wig. Yes, you see my edges. R.I.P., bro. Like, what the fuck? Alright, so I'm gonna be taking this Patrick Ta foundation just to kind of like quotation mark tint my lace, and this kind of help hide the knots. So I cut my wig off my head because I fucking hate. Yeah, I just cut it off, and then it was like a piece of lace that was bothering me, so I tried to cut that. It was well on my head. Then I tried to get the tweezers, girl. I was like struggling getting this little bitty piece of lace. Yeah, and then you see them little ass scissors. Family Dollar only had those, so I had to get them because I couldn't find my like hair scissors. All right, so now you can put out my baby hairs, and I'm about to begin like the plucking process. So this wig come pre-pluck quotation marks, but I wanted to make it look put a little effort into it. So I'm just parting where I think my baby hairs is gonna go. Girl, I suck at parting, so this took a lot for me. So yeah, I just part and start plucking. It kind of gave, I feel like I could have plucked a little bit more, but there's so much parting space in that wig. But I think it looked pretty good at the end. So yeah, I'm gonna pluck. Yeah, so you see me, I like parted again above my baby hairs and plucking, I guess, behind it. I don't know, but you see what I'm doing, girl. Okay, now I ain't gonna cap. The hardest part for me is cutting my baby hairs for them to be even on both sides. Like, I struggle bad as fuck with that. So I'm just spraying with my my lace spray, and that's all I use on my wigs, and it lasts me like 2 days, and then I wash and reapply. So yeah, so I actually lost my headband, and I recommend a headband versus a scarf, because it just gives you a better melt. So girl, I don't know where my footage went, because I thought I was recording me like cutting my baby hairs and doing my baby hairs, which took me like 20 minutes. Like, for those, it took me 20 minutes. Like, okay, I'm gonna get better. I'm surely but surely, but that took me 20 minutes, and I'm still not done. Right now I'm using the spoolie, actually taking my time making that shit look good. And then this is my favorite powder for makeup and wigs, girl, because it matches me so perfectly. Okay, it gives scalp. Like, I love that powder. All right, points. It just gives scalp. I love a powder. Okay, so this is my favorite part. I have to do the little lifted shit for my face. I have to. I feel like that it just frames my face. And then I'm just combing out the curls with my fingers just to get like a effortless look to give Zendaya. Okay, and then I didn't show myself, but I hot combed like the top a little bit of the where it's parted at. And then after watching this, I was like, oh, I should like cut layers into it. But girl, I had this wig on for one day and I took it off and I never put it back on. And this is like the finished products. Shout out to the Butta Lace units, because y'all been keeping me together, helped me grow my edges back. And I typically wear a wig up to 2 weeks and then, I change it. But, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like this video, share this video, and follow me on my socials. More videos like this will be coming soon. And thank you for watching. Bye.